Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do this beautiful Indian wedding guest look, or you can call it an Indian festive look, however you say it, but I think it is very beautiful. So if you want to know how to do this, then please keep watching. Let me first get all this hair out of my face. So today I'm shooting at a different location. It's in my bedroom. I'm actually sitting on the floor, so I might be looking down a little bit too much because the mirror is on the floor. I don't have a table in front of me. Anyways, getting back to the makeup, I'm starting off with the concealer, my usual LA Girl Pro Conceal, and applying wherever I have a little bit of darkness and pigmentation, and just blending everything out nicely with the Cuffs and Lashes concealer brush. Next, I'm using my foundation, which is the Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. I absolutely love this, and I'm using very minimal amount of foundation nowadays because first of all, it's summers. I don't want a thick layer of foundation on my face, and secondly, I'm not looking for very high coverage. I'm liking the natural look. I'm in the shade Nutmeg, just for your reference. And this foundation is absolutely beautiful. I've used a few foundations till now, but I really love this one. Next up, I'm using a compact to set everything in place. Wherever I have applied the concealer, especially on those areas, I definitely have to put either a loose powder or a compact powder. Next, using my bronzer, I am giving some life to my face because right now it looks completely flat. So I am applying the bronzer on wherever naturally I would tan, and it immediately gives so much warmth and so much life to my face. Taking the same bronzer on a big blending eyeshadow brush, I am just applying that and giving some shade, some color to my eyelids. Next, I'm using the NYX palette. I'm using this dark green color, and patting it on my eyelid and making a nice plain base. Next, I'm using this Mars glitter palette and using the dark green glitter here, and absolutely love it. This is so pretty, and all the colors in this palette actually are really pretty. So I'm applying it using my fingers because I feel glitters apply the best when used with the finger. Once done with both the eyes, I'm using the Colossal Kajal and applying a little bit, drawing a liner on my upper lash line and just winging it out a little bit in the corner. Also applying the same in my lower lash line. अब Indian look है तो काजल तो लगाना ही है ना? Doing that on both the eyes and just making a nice and sweet wing. Then filling up the sparse areas in my eyebrows. I'm using the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil here. All details about all products will be there in the description anyways. Then using a flat brush, I'm filling in wherever the glitter was left out. Then using the same bronzer, I am just blending out the lower lash line. And then of course I'm applying my mascara. I'm not going to wear any falsies. Now, the trick to applying mascara and having good results is to always apply at least 2 layers. You first apply the first layer and then maybe go into your face and do something else and come back after maybe 2-3 minutes and do the second layer. Some people even like to use a combination of a volumizing and lengthening mascara. I think that gives perfect results. Next, for the blush, I am using a Lakme 925 blush. The shade I will mention in the description. This blush shade is really beautiful. It's a very nice natural looking pink and gives a very nice blush or flush to your face. Next, I'm using this brown liquid lipstick. It is from NY Bay and it's actually very nice. It looks nice, isn't it? But next, I am going to use another lipstick on top of it, which is the e.l.f. liquid lipstick. Now this one makes all the difference. I cannot use this alone on me because it would wash me out on my complexion, but when used with other dark color lipsticks, it just does the magic. Look how pretty. What a beautiful color this is. Next, putting some highlighter on the high points on my face, the inner corners of the eyes, the cheekbones, the brow bones, on the nose, on the cupid's bow and on the chin. And that almost completes our look. But then I put on some jewelry and this dupatta is absolutely pretty, very beautiful. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit a like button. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.